Hi, my name is Miss Tiffany with Learning with Miss Tiffany, and today we are going to be doing a fun craft. For this craft, you need blue paint, brown paint, a paintbrush, glue, a blue piece of paper, and some little squares of white paper for some sails. We are going to be making the Mayflower. The Mayflower is the ship that the Pilgrims came to America on right before Thanksgiving. So to do this, first you are going to paint the ocean. So I have some blue paint and my paintbrush, and I am just going to be doing some wavy lines at the bottom. So you could go ahead and do this with me if you want to grab your paintbrush and paint just some wavy lines at the bottom. And then you could kind of fill this. Alright, so I have my ocean all filled in, and now I'm going to make my Mayflower. If you have not finished this part, you could go ahead and pause the video and keep working on it. Alright, but guess what? Miss Tiffany has a big problem. I don't have brown paint, but I heard that you can mix colors of paint to make brown. Do you want to see if it works? Alright, so I am going to be using purple paint. So let me put some purple in here. Ooh. So some purple paint. And I am also going to be mixing yellow with it. So I have yellow. I'm going to shake it down a little. Open it up and put some yellow paint in. Come on, yellow. There we go. So I have purple and yellow. Do you think it will make brown if I mix them together? Okay, let's see. Mixy, mixy, mixy. Look it, can you see it starting to turn brown? It worked, friends. Now I have brown paint for my Mayflower because the ship was made out of wood, so it was brown. All right, I'm gonna roll up my sleeve, and you are going to need help from a grown-up to paint your hand. So I'm going to hold my hand like this, and I am just going to paint it all brown. Make sure you get all the fingers. And paint the whole hand brown. All right, my hand looks pretty brown. What do you guys think? I think so too. Okay, so I am going to just smash my hand on here, right on the ocean. So I'm going to press it on here. Okay, and pull it off. I'm just going to wipe my hand really quick. A little. So I don't have a ton of paint on my hand. Okay, and I will finish cleaning that later. But if I look at this, see how there's not like a part filled in right there? So I'm just going to add a little paint right there with my paintbrush to fill that part in if it didn't fill in on your own. Alright, so now I just need to add some sails. So I have these little square papers, and I'm going to do just a little dot of glue right in the middle, and I always say just a dot, not a lot. And I get to choose where I want to put my sails. So maybe I'll put a sail right here. And then I have one more. I'm doing 2 sails. You could do more if you'd like, but I feel like 2 fits really well. And then just a dot of glue. And then I'm going to put that sail right there. And we have it. We have a Mayflower. How did yours turn out? Awesome! I hope you have fun making this at home for Thanksgiving, and I hope you have a great day. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and click below to the subscribe button so you can see more crafts, and I also do circle time videos. And I hope you have a great day. Bye!